first graders, we are going to read a story about friends in different parts of the world and the things that they do together. Let's make a prediction. What do you predict friends in other parts of the world do together? Think about the whole world. What do you think friends do together in other parts of the world? Think about it. All right, say it out loud. What do you think friends do together in all parts of the world? You might have said something like play, or make believe, or read books together, play video games, all of those things. Let's read the story and see what questions we can come up with as we read. This story is called Friends All Around by Mila Ford. I love that picture. It's so sweet. Here we go. Some friends are the same age. Some friends are different ages. Some friends learn together. Some friends teach each other. Oh, I wonder what they're making. When you're reading, some really good ways to interact with the text is ask yourself questions. I wonder what they're making. Or I wonder what he's saying to her. That helps you interact and remember things. Now this says Nicaragua. So these two friends are from Nicaragua. These two friends are from the United States. And these three friends are also from the United States. Let's learn what some other friends do together. Some friends play fast music. These friends are from India. Oh my gosh, I wonder what their music sounds like. I bet it's fast because it says fast music here. I love their outfits, they're so cute. Some friends play slow music. These friends are playing, it looks like the violin, and I think that's an accordion. And this is Ireland. Well, I wonder what these instruments are called. This looks like a recorder, like a flute, but I'm not sure what that one's like. It looks like, I don't know. These friends are from Peru playing slow music together. Some friends dance in a parade. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. This is Mexico. This is China. And this is also China. Some friends dance in a show. Oh, that sounds so cool. Some friends listen to each other. This is Thailand. Excuse me. Some friends help each other. This is the United States. And this is also the United States. That's where we live. Some friends ride horses together. This is Jamaica. Look at the saddle. That's cool. It's a Western style saddle. This is Spain. Some friends ride bicycles together. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 bicycles. And this is the United States. Some friends make a snowman. That is a quality snowman. Look at that snowman. I wonder how long that snowman took to make. How long did it take you to make a snowman? This is the United States. This is Russia. Ooh, look at it. Snow is in the United States and it snows in Russia. Some friends make a snow bear. Whoa, that is a cool snow bear. I don't think I've ever made a snow bear before. That is so fun. Some friends jump with a rope. This is Spain and Greenland. Some friends jump with a ball. This is South Africa. Some friends share books. Canada, Nigeria. Some friends share computers too. This is England and Kenya. Some friends like to run in the sun. This is Brazil. Some friends like to run in the rain. Oh, in Spain. Hey, that rhymes. Rain in Spain. I love the rain. Sometimes friends get along. This is the United States. This is China. And sometimes they argue. This is the United States. I argue with my friends sometimes too. My best friend is my sister, and we argue a lot. But all friends care about each other. And this is in Singapore. That was the most beautiful book. I love that book. Thank you for reading with me. Hopefully there are some questions that you have about friends all around the world.